The SK1265 Mighty Tiny is a powerful mobile tower crane with a maximum lifting capacity of 12,600 kilograms. It boasts a maximum jib length of 60 meters and a maximum lifting height of 64 meters. Powered by a DAF 6-cylinder diesel engine, it offers a maximum line pull force of 2,500 kg. It can operate in both diesel and electric modes, making it environmentally friendly with its advanced features and impressive capabilities. The SK1265 Mighty Tiny is a versatile and efficient solution for various construction projects, often used in challenging urban environments. The Orbital O2 is a 2 MW floating tidal stream energy generator with a 72-meter long hull and twin 20-meter diameter rotors. Is designed to harness the power of tidal currents in water depths ranging from 12 to 50 meters. This innovative technology, currently operational at BOMAG in Orkney, Scotland, offers a sustainable solution for generating clean electricity from the ocean's energy, contributing to a greener future and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. It's a significant step towards tapping into the immense potential of tidal energy. The Bobcat CT2525 is a powerful compact tractor with a 24.5 horsepower diesel engine and a hydrostatic transmission for smooth and precise control. It boasts a 1,030 kg lift capacity and a 19 HP TO, making it suitable for various tasks like mowing, tilling, and snow removal. The tractor features a comfortable operator station with a deluxe cab, HVAC, and a suspension seat, with its four-wheel drive, tilt steering, and cruise control. The CT2525 offers easy operation and maneuverability. Its compact design and versatile attachments make it a great choice for both. The Ingecon MG20 grapple saw is a powerful attachment designed for excavators weighing between 19 and 26 tons. It features a robust grapple with a maximum grab width of 2,279 millimeter and a maximum load capacity of 10,000 kg. The integrated saw, equipped with a powerful motor and a 404-inch chain, efficiently cuts through various materials. The MG20 offers features like automatic chain tensioning, proportional lubrication, and a built-in bar feed cylinder for ease of use and maintenance. It also includes a sequence controlled soft function. The Komatsu 895 is a powerful and versatile forwarder designed for efficient timber harvesting. It features a 24.5 horsepower diesel engine and a hydrostatic transmission for smooth operation. The 895 boasts a 20,000 kg gross load capacity and a powerful hydraulic system with a maximum flow of 409 Lmin. The spacious and comfortable cab offers excellent visibility and ergonomic controls, enhancing operator productivity. The 895 is equipped with a variety of features, including a strong crane, a hydraulic grapple, and a flexible load bunk system, making it a reliable and efficient machine. The Overozen TV750 is a powerful self-propelled snow blower designed for efficient snow removal on large areas like airports. It boasts a high clearing capacity of 6,500 th and a working width of 3,000 m. Equipped with a Volvo Penta engine and a robust chassis, the TV750 can handle heavy snowfall and challenging conditions. Its ergonomic cab offers excellent visibility and comfort for the operator, ensuring efficient and safe operation. Additional features like a hydraulically driven throwing rotor and adjustable discharge chute further enhance its performance and versatility. The Schmidt CJS-DI is a powerful jet sweeper designed for efficient cleaning of various surfaces. It features a 4,200 mm long brush with a cartridge system using steel, poly, or mixed bristles capable of operating at speeds up to 60 km/h. The CJS is equipped with a 600-liter fuel tank and an optional 5,000-liter water tank for spraying and de-icing. Typically mounted on a MAN TGS 18.320 chassis, the CJS-DI offers a robust and reliable platform for high-performance cleaning operations, making it ideal for maintaining clean and safe urban environments. The Ziegler Z6 Hybrid Drive is a groundbreaking fire truck that combines electric and diesel power for enhanced performance and environmental friendliness. Powered by a Scania DC16386 diesel engine and a 230 kW electric motor, it delivers a combined maximum power output of 1,150 horsepower. The electric motor allows for emission-free operation during shorter distances, while the diesel engine takes over for longer journeys. The Z6 hybrid drive boasts impressive acceleration, reaching 80 km/h under 25 seconds, and a top speed exceeding 130 km/h. The BOMAG GP4 is a versatile slip-form paver designed for paving a wide range of concrete surfaces, including highways, airport runways, and industrial floors. It boasts a maximum paving width of 40 feet and features a dual telescoping frame for automatic width changes up to 14 feet. The GP4 modular roller frame and hydraulically driven screed ensure smooth and consistent finishes. The machine is equipped with BOMAG's G control system and is compatible with both streamline and 3D machine guidance systems. Additional features include an isolated operator's platform for increased comfort. The Vermeer TR626 trommel screen is a powerful machine designed for efficient material processing. It features a 6-foot drum and a 6 cubic yard hopper, allowing for high capacity processing of various materials like compost, gravel, sand, and light aggregate. Equipped with a 125 horsepower John Deere engine, the TR626 can handle demanding tasks and provides adjustable screen sizes for precise material separation. Its robust construction and user-friendly design make it a reliable and efficient solution for a wide range of applications, particularly in construction. The Menzimuck M545 is a versatile walking excavator equipped with a powerful Deutz 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine delivering 156 horsepower. Its robust hydraulic system, featuring a working pump flow rate of 290 Lmin and a driving pump flow rate of 210 Lmin, enables efficient operation in various applications designed to excel in steep terrain. The M545 utilizes a unique walking mechanism and advanced stability features. The comfortable and ergonomic operator's cab further enhances productivity and operator comfort. The Powerscreen Premier Track 450 is a high-performance primary jaw-crushing plant designed for medium-scale operations. It features a single toggle jaw crusher with a feed opening of 1,100 mm and is powered by a Caterpillar C9.3 or Scania DC9 engine, offering an impressive output potential of up to 450 tons per hour. The Powerscreen MaxStrike 1000 is a high-capacity mobile screening plant designed for efficient material separation. It features a large screening box with multiple decks allowing for precise sizing and classification of materials. The Wirtgen WRC 240 is a versatile cold recycler and soil stabilizer designed to efficiently process various materials. It features a robust crushing and mixing unit with HT18 tools, capable of crushing, processing, and homogenizing materials like hardcore, concrete fragments, cobblestones, and rocks. With a working width of 2.32 meters and a maximum working depth of 510 millimeters. The WRC 240 offers impressive performance. The machine incorporates a heavy-duty, microprocessor-controlled water spraying system for precise dosing and a variable injection bar. The BOMAG BC773 is a high-performance refuse compactor designed for efficient landfill waste compaction. It features a powerful diesel engine, a robust frame, and a hydraulically operated compaction drum with an operating weight of 37 tons, a drum diameter of 2.8 meters, and a drum width of 2.4 meters. The BC773 delivers significant compaction force to effectively compress waste materials. Its maneuverability, high compaction efficiency, and low operating costs make it an ideal choice for optimizing landfill space utilization and reducing environmental impact, contributing to sustainable waste management practices. The Lieboy 8520C is a high-performance asphalt designed for efficient and precise paving operations. Powered by a 125 HP Kubota T4F diesel engine, it offers ample power for demanding paving tasks. The machine features a 9-ton hopper capacity with a dual 36-inch wide conveyor system, ensuring continuous material flow. The proven heavy-duty Legend electric screed system provides accurate and consistent paving results, but with a paving width ranging from 8 to 15 feet. The 8520C offers a range of optional features like remote